Good afternoon. I'm outside in the car right now and it's pretty hot, but there's a baby inside. I'll get to that later, and this is going to be quick. I need to do a quick video, and as you may or may not know, that since May, and it's September now, it's been a hot summer, and I've had a heck of a time creating videos because, I deal with Nashville, and my AC hasn't been working for 4 months. It's been up in the 90s, and I really haven't felt like running around in a car without AC, so I've been doing a lot of shorts. And so basically in the last 4 months, the last 50 videos I've put out, 47 of them are shorts. And for those of you who don't know what shorts are, they're short videos, less than a minute long. Mine are about 15 seconds long, and if you think about it, when you watch them, if you watch them, they have something to do with my niche, which is Nashville. But anyway, it's September now. Hopefully the temperatures are going to be better, and I can get back to producing longer videos for people to watch. Anyway, the time has come to start releasing longer videos, and hopefully they'll be better, even though my AC is still not working. There's going to be some changes in my channel. Not really great or big changes, but little things. First of all, my niche is still, or niche, whatever you want to call it, is still Nashville, and it's still based around traveling to Nashville, things you can do here, and some stuff about the hospitality field, because it's called Nashville Travel Concierge, so I cover all of that. The thing is, the changes. I mentioned the baby inside. It's our grandson, and my wife is taking care of him during the week, and I don't want to make a whole lot of noise inside today to make the video. Some I'll have to do inside, but the thing is, she has been the person who has done my editing. Anything you see that's good on my videos, she did the editing for. When you see something that's really bad, I didn't have any editing at all, and I need to learn how to do this. So I'm trying to learn Lightroom, and which is more, as far as I'm concerned, more for just photos. And I'm going to try to learn Photoshop. Until then, I'll do the best I can. I can probably get her to do some editing for me, but she's working 5 days a week with the baby, or she's watching the baby. She's not working with the cool kid. I'm not going to go. He's about 6 weeks old, 7 weeks old, adorable, and but she's spending all her time with him, which is understandable. Anyway, I'm going to work on doing some editing, try to make these videos more interesting. I'm going to try to improve my personality. I've been told that I'm a bit cardboard on film, whatever that means. But anyway, I do appreciate those of you that have come by and watched whatever I put out. I appreciate any views I can get. I'm at 300 subscribers right now. That's pretty cool. At the end of this, I'm going to have the playlist for the shorts and whatever I put out since probably middle of May, end of May, so you can see what I have been doing. Most of those are shorts, like I said. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you're having a great week. Stop by and see what I put out in the near future. I plan on doing something each week, again, like I used to. And thanks for stopping by. Take care.